Nuclear energy is a low-carbon energy, and it is quite understandable that so many countries are thinking about using it. A new entrant country has a complex equation to solve. As a representative from a nuclear safety authority, I'm not involved in nuclear energy policy. However, I can highlight some key principles from the French experience. My main message is that nuclear safety must be a national priority because you can't manage such a nuclear project without public acceptance. And giving priority to safety is a pillar of this acceptance. The other pillars are, from the French point of view, transparency and the credibility of the nuclear safety and radiation protection authorities. But nuclear safety is a systemic issue. Firstly, you need a safe design and a construction that respects every safety requirement. Secondly, you must be able to respect the operating rules in line with the safety requirements. Thirdly, a reactor is nothing without fuel, and it generates radioactive waste. Both imply transportation of radioactive materials that need to be also regulated. And finally, in case anything goes wrong, you must be able to react rapidly and efficiently to protect the population and the environment. Emergency preparedness and response has to be organized well in advance. You see immediately that you need appropriate competence at every stage. You could say skills, but we are not talking about individual skills. We are talking about relevant regulating frameworks, relevant ability to make safety assessments, which require a general safety culture and appropriate controls. This applies to all stakeholders. That is a huge challenge for a newcomer, but the good news is that international cooperation initiatives exist under the aegis of IEA or the European Commission, which has created the Nuclear Safety Cooperation Instrument to foster partnerships to help non-EU countries. And we, at ASNR, we cooperate fruitfully with many of our counterparts, including the Singaporean National Environment Agency, to share experiences and work together on open issues. And we also cooperate with the Singapore Research and Nuclear Safety Institute and the Defense of Science Organization National Laboratories to strengthen the science in nuclear safety and radiation protection.